Solar panel installation Leeds. Imagine slashing your energy bills while saving the planet. Welcome to the future of energy with our eco-friendly solar solutions. We provide affordable and efficient solar panel installations. Our expert teams use the latest technology to deliver high-quality installations that are built to last, ensuring your system is optimized for maximum efficiency. Our step-by-step installation process starts with a personalized consultation to understand your energy needs and goals. We conduct a thorough on-site assessment to ensure your installation is optimized for maximum efficiency. Our skilled installers handle every aspect of the installation, ensuring a flawless setup that complies with all local building codes and regulations. After installation, we activate your system and provide comprehensive training on monitoring its performance. For more information on our local solar panel installation services, contact us today on 033301644422.